Hi friends, it's FunToyLand here. I'm going to show you how to write the letter H in cursive. Grab a pen. I'm going to use a purple pen. Okay, let's get started. Welcome to FunToyLand. Here's how you write the capital letter H in cursive. Let's write another row of the letter H. And that's how you write a capital letter H in cursive. Let's do a lowercase h. Let's do another row of lowercase h. And that's how you write the letter H in cursive. Please like and subscribe. Bye! Thank you for watching! Did you have fun? Please like and share this video. Go ahead and click the subscribe button so that we can be friends and you can watch more cool videos like the ones you see here. Come visit us often! See you later, friends!